Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your Dashlane subscription. First, log into Dashlane from the web app and go to the My Account, then Subscription section. If you paid via Dashlane's website, like through credit card or PayPal, you'll see a cancel your subscription option there. Select it and follow the prompts to disable auto-renewal. Once you cancel, your paid features will continue until the end of the current billing period, but the subscription won't renew. In my case though, since I'm a new user and it's my first time using Dashlane, I'm currently enjoying a 30-day free trial before I could proceed with the paid subscription. So if you're new to this and you just want to try things out first, take note of it. If you bought Dashlane through Apple's App Store or Google Play, you must cancel via those services instead. And that's how you cancel your Dashlane subscription. Thanks for watching.